Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to change the icon size and font size in your QGIS icon. So it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and we change icon size. You see in font size and icon size. You change it. For change, we go to setting, option. After option, we select here general. After general, we select here icon size. Here is 24. We select as per your requirement. We select here 48. You see here your size is changed, and font size here is 20. If you want to change, you change it as per your requirement. We write only 10 and OK. You see here your font size and icon size change successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to measure length and area in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to learn in length and area calculation. So it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our area and we check length. For length, we go to scale. Here is scale and we select it. If you want to measure line, you select here line and you select here length in meter, kilometer, feet, yard as per your choice. We select here meter and we start first point and second point, and you see here your meter length. And if you want to change it in kilometer, you select here kilometer and you see here your area 27 kilometer. If you want to area calculation, you go to again scale and select here measurement area and you select here scale square kilometer, square feet, square yard. We select here square kilometer and we start first point and we draw as per our requirement polygon and area. We draw. After end point, we stop it and we see here area in kilometer. So our process is complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Extracting raster layer extent in QGIS. If you want to create a shapefile of the extent, go to the processing tool and use the raster layer bound tool. This tool make a rectangle polygon showing outage of image raster, which you can save and use in another map work. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our raster image. Extracting it. For extracting, we go to vector. After vector, we go to research tool and go to extend layer. We click here and we select here input layer our image, then run it and close it. Our polygon is created. You see here our polygon is created. If you want to see other detail, you click and go to table. Here is detail, maximum, minimum, maximum x, maximum y, center x, center y, and height and width in Excel. And if you want to symbology it, we right click and go to property. You select symbology as per your requirement. We select this color and apply and OK. Here is change color and here is image. So we successful extracted our vector file. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Random point by extended. If you want to create random point in your polygon and polygon in a one part, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data, means polygon, and we create random point. For random point we go to vector. After vector we go to research tool and we select here random point in extended. We select here input extend. We select here use current map canvas extended. You select it and you write a number. We write here 20 and after it we run. We close it. You see here 20 number point is created. If you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and change here your symbology as per your requirement and color. Our random point is generated. If you want to open table, you go to table. Here is random point, 20 random point, and next we create a random point on our selected area. For selected area we go to again vector layer and geometry tool and we select here for next random point. For as a part of random point selected feature, you go to vector and we select here research tool and we select here random point and extended. After it we go to input extended and we select here draw on map canvas. We select it. After selection we select our area. If you want to create a random point on corner and left and right, we select here as a corner. After corner we give a number of point. We give 10 number. After it we run it and close it. You see here your random point is generated on selected area. And if you want to change symbology, right click, go to property and select here symbol, color as per your choice, apply and OK. You see here your random point generated selected area. and all area. So our process random point by extended completed successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. We discuss random point with layer bound and random point to whole area. If you want to create a particular selected area random point and whole area to random point number of quantity, so it is very important, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and we already open a layer. So we create a selected layer point. So we select it, we go to selection tool and select one polygon. After selection we go to vector and we go to research tool and we select here random point in layer bound. We click here and here is our input file and we tick selected feature only. We generate point only selected field and we give a number of point. We give here 20 number of point. After it we run it and close it. You see here random point generated and we count it. For count we click here and go to open attribute table and you see here random point 20 random point generated. And if you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and you select here point and color as per your choice and apply and OK. Your point is generated. If you want to generate point on whole area, so you unselect it. After unselect layer you go to vector layer and go to research tool and select here random point in layer bound and we select here all layer. Here is our layer and we give a number, we give 50. After 50 we run it and close it. You see here point is generated in whole area. If you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and select here symbol and color as per your choice, apply and OK. You see here your point is generated. If you want to see how many point is generated, you select it and go to table and you see here number of point 50 is generated. Here is 50 point in whole area. So our random point with layer bound and whole area is completed successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Random point is a specified polygon. For a specified polygon, it is very important. If you want to generate random point specified polygon, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. For a specified polygon, we select, go to selection tool and we select all polygon. We select it. After selection we go to vector and research and tool. We select here random point inside polygon and we select here input layer and tick selected feature only. After it we go to point count and click here After it we go to editor. Here is our expression and we select here field and value. Our value is available in ID2. We double click. After it we write here expression is less than and value here and value 145 and after it OK and run and close it, and you see here point is generated. Specify polygon. If you want to change color and symbology, you right click, go to property and select here symbol and color and apply and OK. You see here your point is generated a specified polygon. So please like, share and subscribe my video. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to create hillshade. If you want to create a contour and elevation, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our image and we create hillshade. For creating hillshade we go to raster and select here analysis. After analysis we select here hillshade. After hillshade we check here azimuth 315 and altitude 45 and after it we click multi-directional shadow and we click here. After it run it and close it and we check our output. Here is our output creating hillshade. You see here your hillshade is created. If you want to change color, so you right click and go to property and you select here single one and you select here as per color ramp your requirement. We select here turbo and here is turbo color as per your requirement. You select it and apply and OK. You see here your hillshade area is created successful. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.